We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can download Apple Music on Windows. So there are ultimately two ways you can get the Apple Music app. So first of them being the Microsoft Store that should be pre-installed on your Windows. So find it, launch it, input the Apple Music query, and download the Apple Music app from here. Or you can also use your preferred web browser, find the web version of the Microsoft Store, and install it from here. Doesn't matter which route will go, since even this route will anyway redirect you to the actual Microsoft Store app. Now, get this app, get it downloaded, wait until it gets downloaded rather. And once the app is indeed downloaded, as you can see, you might open it, sign in using your Apple ID, and start listening to your Apple Music library. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.